AOL C16-25 series cutting machine. The whole machine is 3640mm long * 3280mm wide * 1220mm high. The actual cutting platform area is 160 cm wide and 250 cm long. The weight is 1100 kilograms and has standard 8-zone vacuum absorption. You can also choose 12/16 zone absorption. It should be noted that the standard configuration does not include a desktop computer because ordinary computers can do the work. The tool commonly used for cutting fiber materials is round knife. There are many types of fiber materials, such as carbon fiber, glass fiber, aramid fiber, etc. These fibers are relatively soft and can be cut with round knife. Materials I prepared need to be cut with oscillation knife. Another point is that AOL will configure according to the voltage and socket requirements of each country. For all the machines, we will pack them in wooden boxes. It will be packed very well before shipping. If you have any further questions, please contact AOL for more details.